2020 Ram Rebel, 5.7 liter V8, HEMI, stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. And it's got a factory resonator right there. Then we did a muffler delete right there with 3-inch pipe. And this is 3-inch also. So we continued that. Then it wires back out like the GMs now. Then it's got 2 more resonators, one here and one here, into 4-inch black rolled tips. The Rebel Edition comes with black tips right there. And there's the muffler we cut off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2020 GMC AT4 6.2, sorry, 6.2 liter V8. Beautiful truck, a beast of a truck. Can't wait to get one of these days. Got factory converters. No more damn third converter, so you can true dual them. Then it's got 3.5-inch pipe. Then we took off that massive muffler. Look, it's as big as 5 of my fingers from far away. How many inches was it, Tim?
42 inches.
42 inches of a muffler. And put a pipe in its place. Straight piped it. Then it duals out the back. Got 2 glass packs, resonators there and there. And then it's got, you know, the factory tips built into the valence, the back valence, back bumper. AT4 GMC. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Again. Sound decibels, go ahead. Go ahead and back it up. 104.
Not bad, right?
Not bad at all. Definitely opened it up a little bit. Let you guys hear on the inside. Go ahead. Much better. Give a guess again. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 98. That's bearable, you know?
Yeah.
If you do a lot, do you use it for work?
Yeah.
So you do a lot of driving, then yeah, you don't need more than that.
That's perfect. Just can hear it.
Yeah. Because these new ones, man, they're so, they have so much sound densing.
Yeah.
Sierra AT4. One more? That's perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside.